Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best trunk organizers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best trunk organizers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Tuff Viking Convertible Trunk Organizer. The Tuff Viking is a high-quality trunk organizer built from a tough 1680D Oxford polyester material. Also, it is a versatile 3-in-1 trunk organizer that can also retrofit as a carry bag if you want to. It was built with one thing in mind, to be a superior product that is not only extremely durable, but also has the ideal width to fit inside the trunk of any type of vehicle. This trunk organizer has a full-lined interior that will help protect it from spills and water splashes to protect your valuables, and it also makes cleanup a breeze as you can easily wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Also, it includes adjustable tie-down straps that prevent it from moving around even when driving in adverse conditions. The bottom can be a little slippery, and this is also one of the priciest items on our trunk organizer reviews. However, both are still not enough concerns to be the deal breakers. Moving on at number 4. We have the Starlings Car Trunk Organizer. Starling's OCTO parent adopts a multi-purpose design that makes it versatile and an excellent companion to any vehicle, from an SUV to a Jeep to a car. Also, it is mostly made from a 1680D Oxford polyester material that is very durable, waterproof and long-lasting. Also, the base is waterproof to ensure water does not enter from below, and it is also non-slip to keep the organizer in place. Securing it is also made easy by the inclusion of some strong, unbreakable buckles that are designed to provide many years of service and should last as long as the rest of the trunk organizer. Organizing your stuff is also made easier by the inclusion of multiple compartments, several pockets and some flexible but highly sturdy dividers. And it is backed by a lifetime warranty to give you some durability assurance. The side pouches are a little on the smaller side, but you will be surprised at just how useful they will be despite their size. At number 3, we have the Drive Auto Products Car Cargo Trunk Organizer. One of the best things that strike you immediately with this Drive Auto Trunk Organizer is its excellent build construction and more affordable price tag that will ensure you get the best value for your cash. Indeed, this model is also built from a high-grade Oxford polyester fabric that is very durable and long-lasting. Additionally, this product is lightweight at only 3 pounds, which is significantly lighter than other models, despite being almost the same size and having the same build construction. Furthermore, it comes with a unique tie-down strap system that can be tied anywhere to ensure you never have loose clutter. And packing up your stuff should be super easy with the easily expandable compartments. Reinforced carry handles will make taking this trunk organizer in and out of your vehicle easier, while the sturdy side panels ensure that it maintains a good shape and structure when in the vehicle and as you carry it. The snap clips on the straps seem a little weak and are also prone to rusting, but the good news is that it will be a long time before you ever need to worry about this. Beside providing different color options, Drive Auto Products also has a 2-pack size option for motorists looking for more storage space. At number 2, we have the FORTEM Car Trunk Organizer. This FORTEM trunk organizer is not big on looks. Indeed, it has a very generic look, especially when compared to other models in this trunk organizer review. However, it comes in a quickly and easily collapsible design that makes it highly convenient. Additionally, it has an excellent build construction from 600D polyester that is lightweight and very durable. And with the reinforced base plates, it is one of the sturdiest on our list. Also, this trunk organizer has a decent number of storage compartments that will allow you to organize accessories and gear more appropriately. Keeping it in place should also not be a problem as the base is non-slip, and there are also some secure straps included to allow you to tie it down. This trunk organizer also has some sturdy handles to make it more portable. To crown it all, it is waterproof and super easy to clean up. Look-wise, this is not the most aesthetically pleasant organizer, but it makes up for what it lacks in appearance with a superior build quality and performance. And finally at number 1. We have the Trunkcratepro Collapsible Trunk Organizer. One of the best things about the Trunkcratepro is that it is actually a foldable bag that also retrofits as a trunk organizer. This collapsible design makes it highly convenient and is one of the main reasons it is our best overall. It is made from a heavy-duty Oxford polyester fabric that will last a long time and can accommodate all sorts of accessories with ease. Best of all, since it measures only 23.6 inches at its widest, it should be able to fit into any type of vehicle, including the trunk of a small car. Additionally, the weight of 4.4 pounds is also fairly acceptable. This and the heavy-duty handles make this trunk organizer super easy to carry around. We also like the fact that this trunk organizer comes in a variety of colors to suit your preference. Hence, it is a good-looking and yet highly functional trunk organizer that can be used in a wide range of situations, and you can also get it in an extra large size if this one does not suit your needs. The weird-looking outer pockets and the limited customization options due to the less flexible divider are only minor annoyance that do not take anything away from this trunk organizer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.